Rufus likes to play with the cord, don't you, Rufus? He says, yes, I do. He says, I get very animated sometimes, as you can see. Yeah. He says, I have a very expensive toy they bought me from the store, but I don't play with that. But this, which is just the end of a headphone, I think is quite interesting. Yes, I do. It's very exciting. As you can see, I like it. I don't know who likes it more, me or Rufus. Enough, Ruf.